Hello everyone. Today we are on lesson number 5, States of Matter, and page number 52. So in this lesson we will study about different states of matter as solid, liquid and gas. First of all, I want to explain what is matter. So anything that has mass and occupy space is called matter. So what do you mean by mass? Means weight. If anything has weight and occupy space is called matter. So air is also a matter because if we fill the balloon, so air occupy the space. So what is matter? Anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter. So listen, the white layer of snow and the flowing water in the river look so soothing. Yes, the clouds in the sky carry warm vapor, so we can see all three states of water in nature. As how they are three? As water in the river, it is liquid state, snow on the clouds, snow on the mountains, it is solid state, and water vapor become warm and convert into water, so this is a gaseous state. So I am going to tell you about different states of matter. So how one state can change into another state, do you know? As you can see this picture. In this picture what happened? Solid converting into liquid and liquid converting into gas. So this is a interconversion of states of matter. So what is interconversion of states of matter? Means one state convert into another state. So matter changes from one state to the other with the change in its temperature and pressure. This is called interconversion of states of matter. So what is interconversion of states of matter? Matter changes from one state to the other with the change in its temperature and pressure. If we will change the temperature and pressure, then state also change. How? If we keep water inside the refrigerator or freezer. So what is going on in freezer, do you know? In freezer, water convert into solid state, means liquid into solid. So in freezer temperature is low. So what happened? Temperature is low. If we will give less temperature, then what happened? The one state convert into the another state. So this is called interconversion of states of matter. The process involved in interconversion of states of matter are melting, freezing, evaporation, condensation, sublimation and deposition. So what are the states? Melting, freezing, evaporation, condensation, sublimation and deposition. I will explain everything one by one. So first of all, I am explaining melting. What is melting? As you know, when you keep ice on your plate, after some time ice convert into water. Is it right? Ice convert into water. So this is melting. Ice convert into water. And when you keep your chocolate outside the freezer for some time, so your chocolate also melt. This is called melting because your chocolate is in solid state or after some time it convert into liquid state. So this is melting. So what is melting? When solid convert into liquid. This is called melting, and by increased temperature. Increased temperature, do you understand? Means hotness is outside is more than the freezer. Means temperature is more. In summer temperature is more and winter's temperature is less. So if we are keeping chocolate outside the freezer, it means what is? Temperature is more. So that solid chocolate converting into the liquid chocolate. And we also call this fusion. What is freezing? So have you understood melting? Now I am telling you about freezing. As we keep water inside the refrigerator or freezer, after some time water convert into ice. Water convert into ice. So this is freezing. So how freezing is going on? By giving low temperature, because in freezer temperature is less. So in freezer water converting into ice. It means temperature is less. Now I am going to tell you about evaporation. So what is evaporation? So you have listened this word in water cycle. What is evaporation? You have seen water convert into gaseous form. Water convert into gaseous form by giving heat. As water of river, ponds convert into gaseous form when we boil the water in our house. So water convert into gaseous form. But when water change naturally, evaporation is a slow process. In this process, water convert into gaseous form. Means water vapors. Water is a liquid form and water convert into gaseous form. So this is called evaporation. What is condensation? So condensation means gases change into liquids by decrease in temperature or increase in pressure. So what is condensation? Do you know how clouds formed? So clouds formed by condensation. As water of river convert into water vapors by the heat of the sun. And this water vapors go in our surroundings and in atmosphere, and these water vapors get less temperature. So these water vapor convert into water and after that convert into solid form. So this is called condensation. When you keep water bottle outside the fridge, so you see that after some time water vapors come near the surface of water bottle. So from where this water is coming? Near the bottle. So this water is coming from the air. In air, water vapors are present. And when this air touch the surface of bottle, means this air take the temperature. It become cool and water vapors convert into water, and this is called condensation. Now I am going to tell you about sublimation. What is sublimation? So what happened when solids directly convert into gaseous form? without changing into liquid state. What is sublimation? When solids directly convert into gases without coming into liquid state, it is called sublimation. As camphor, camphor means kapoor. When we heat camphor, it directly convert into gaseous form without converting liquid state. So it is called sublimation. So I have explained all topics. Melting. Now you are on deposition. So what is deposition? So gases changes into solids. This is left. So gases changes into solids by decrease in temperature or increase in pressure. So it is called deposition. Gases changes into solid. As you know, when we give less temperature and when we increase the temperature, so gases convert into solid form. Have you listened? Solid carbon dioxide. So how it will make solid carbon dioxide? It will make by deposition. Now you are on page number 53. Application of interconversion of states of matter. So what are the applications? So you can see first picture. Snowfall and rainfall are the result of conversion of states of matter. Snowfall and rainfall. How it will come? Because of changing in states of matter. Now I am going to tell this in next video. Thank you very much.